So are you still with me? Okay, this is story 2. Variability of the Ki pool inferred from mooring and CTD data. Yay! We have stations, we have a good coverage in some years. And from these CTD stations, we can, let's do it, show the distribution of the temperature 10 meters above the seafloor. Okay, the blue line is the 200-meter contour shown here on the left. And you can see this is the temperature distribution near the seafloor. And that's why you learn GIS, because you can produce these maps. Okay? So what's the blue? The blue is water less than 14 degrees, and the dark blue is water of only 12 degrees. And you can see the link to the shelf break. And the link to the canyons, which are also illustrated here. So where's my mouse? Here it is. Okay, you can see the canyons here. And there's some link to the upwelling in the canyon. Well, okay, this is the Ki, but the idea is that this water is actually linked to nutrients. These are waters high in dissolved nutrients, nitrate. Nitrate is overall limited, and this is the source of plankton blooms, the mechanism. Okay, so let's have a look at the vertical profiles. How does it look? How does temperature look like if you measure from the surface to the bottom? So overall, 100 to 110 meters in these locations. Okay, and you can see that there's a warm surface mix layer. Okay. All right, and then there's cold water of the Kangaroo Island pool. This is what we call the Kangaroo Island pool. It contains subantarctic mold water and has a relatively high nutrient levels. How do we know nutrients levels? Because the SARDI determined, or IMOS determined nutrient levels, and this is nitrate. The link between nitrate and temperature in the region, and you can see on the x-axis is temperature. As the water is colder, you have higher levels. And this is a micromoles per liter. You get up to 10. Again, this type of values is, you can trace it back to waters that actually comes from a depth of 300 meters and ends up in much shallower water. So this is the Kangaroo Island pool. Okay. But however, this nutrient might be detached, or actually in this area, in most of the area, is detached from the euphotic zone too far away and cannot stimulate phytoplankton. Okay, it's too deep, in too deep water. So that's what we call the Ki pool. And now the idea is, well, we can also look at the year-to-year variability of the Ki pool. So how does it look like?